Why is it that some days you put the same wig on that you wore the very day before and it looks different? You're not happy with it. This is a really great question given to me by one of the subscribers on this channel, and I'm going to give you my best interpretation of why this can happen. Now, there's different styles of wig, so some wigs can have quite a curl pattern to them. This normally has quite a good curl pattern to it, but I haven't washed it for a while, so that curl pattern has dropped out. So sometimes you just need to give that wig a wash, hang it upside down, inside out, overnight, and then give it a fluff up in the morning, and it's back to looking the way that it was looking. Another reason a wig might look different on one day than the next is, how did you store it overnight? Did you come home really exhausted? Because yeah, that can happen. Maybe you didn't put it back onto a wig head. Maybe you squashed it on the side like that, and it might have been near a hot air vent if it's winter, or summer if you've left it sitting in a warm room or in the sun, because synthetic fibres will mould when there is heat. Heat is what does affect them. So you might have laid it on its side, that has squashed down one side of the curl fibres and impacted the way that that wig is looking. There are also different sizes of wig head, and the shop that I buy my wig heads in can sometimes run out of the ones that I want, and so I've had to buy some slightly bigger wigs in the circumference of the head. So I make sure that I only put one of my skin top wigs on a wider mannequin head, because a lace wig can stretch. So you have to be very careful with lace wigs when you are storing them on a wig head, that you're not stretching it out like that to get it over onto the top of the wig head, because if you're leaving it there for any length of time, and particularly if it's a warm room, that lace front can stretch, and when that lace front stretches you can't get it back. So after that, all you can really do is perhaps pop on a hairband. Another reason that a wig might look different one day than the next is that it's not actually the wig that's looking different, it might be us that looks different. So I know for myself, I can wake up one day and my face can be quite puffy. That can change the shape of my face, and then when I'm putting on a wig that I normally wear, it's not looking the same. But it's not the wig, it's the fact that I've put on some fluid and my face shape has changed. So I have a variety of wigs for that reason. Some days I feel I'm looking better in a longer wig. Some days I feel I'm looking better in a wig with a bit more shape. Now sometimes that can be just in my head, because we can feel different on a different day for different reasons. Sometimes the journey of life is going up and down, we're going up and down, we might have a bit of anxiety, we mightn't be so happy, so we're just not feeling as confident as we normally do. And that can change the way we feel, how we are looking in a wig. So I have a variety of wigs so that I can change it up and just put the one on that's going to lift my spirits on that day, so that I'm going out feeling my best. And when I'm going out feeling my best, it really sets the scene for the rest of the day. So for me, that's some of the reasons why sometimes I can put on a wig that I'm wearing a lot, but it doesn't look the same. And that really has happened a lot to me. But I think we've come up with a few reasons and a few solutions for that. Now I know that a lot of you who enjoy the content of this channel haven't subscribed yet. Now that's your decision, but it would really help me if you actually did subscribe, because there's only about 30% of you out there that are actually subscribing to the channel. So thanks for joining me on Julie's Wig World, and YouTube is going to have another video selected just for you to help you on your wig wearing journey.